Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 CLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels, a Sahara beige MB Tex interior with a burl walnut wood trim, sunroof, rear spoiler, CLA 250 4MATIC badging, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, memory seats, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, convenience package with auto dimming mirrors, garage door openers, media display, rear view backup camera, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders. This CLA has 29,317 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the CLA 250 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.